Hey everybody, okay, we are back and here are the results of the chicken that I canned. So these are the chunk chicken cans. Let's see if we could see how nicely they came out. Not sticking to the jar at all. Filled with water. Didn't put any chicken stock or anything in these, but look at how nicely those came out, okay? So this is one of the reasons that I do this, because they're nice. They're already pre-chunked, they're pre-browned, and they come out delicious. These I will use in casseroles. So I have 5 cans of those. And I used some chicken for dinner last night, 2 chicken breasts. So what I had left out of the other packet that I opened, I did the raw pack. Now, this is the raw pack method. This has no water or anything in it. Let's see if we can see it a little bit better. The raw pack doesn't look as great, but it tastes wonderful. Tastes amazing. It just doesn't look as great. And the water level, the liquid level in it is much lower because I did the chunks at 1-inch headspace, and these I just put chicken breast into the jars and they create their own liquid. So this is what I normally do. Now, even though the liquid is not all the way covering the chicken, that's fine. It doesn't usually come all the way up. That's why they're varied. It depends on your chicken, how much fat you had on it, it has on it. Chicken legs and thighs will pretty much fill the jar with liquid, has a lot more fat. But I prefer to do chicken breasts, especially for chicken salads and things like that. You can do shredded chicken. You can put this in an Instapot for any of your recipes. It comes out amazing. So the chunks you can mix with just about anything you're doing chicken with. If you're doing soups, chicken chili, anything like that, or just a chicken stir fry. These look better. They're already in chunks, and people don't question that, even though there's canned chicken in the store, and it doesn't look like this. You can get it in those little cans next to the tuna fish, and you pay, oh gosh, I think they're $2.99, and you don't get this much chicken in one of these jars. So I paid less than $20 for all the chicken that I bought. Actually, it was even less than that. I think it was $15 or $16 total for about, I think I figured 15 pounds of chicken. And like I said, I did use some. So, but this is what I got out of it. So the 5 with the chunks and the 4. So that's 9 pints of chicken. And another thing is, in your pint jars, they hold approximately 1 pound of chicken. So, more so with the chicken breasts, you get a little bit more, I think, in the chicken chunks because you can push them down further. The chicken breasts, because they're raw, they don't push down quite as far. So you have to make do, like even this one, all of these were filled up to the top with 1-inch head space with the chicken. And you see how once they cook, they go down. So it's your choice, but these are 2 ways to make your chicken, and both come out wonderful, and you just use them in different recipes. So tonight I'm going to be using one of my cans of pinto beans. I think we're going to do a taco night. Not quite sure. Haven't been feeling really well today. Too much standing yesterday, I think. So my back's not doing good. But yeah, I think that's what we're going to be doing. Let's see. I have everything out here. Here's my beans. And this one has the onion in it. And then I've got my cilantro. I have a can of olives. I have a can of green chilies. And I already had these right here. And I've got some frozen avocado that I'm going to make into a dip for the chips. I'm probably going to make my own tortilla chips out of these too, because these are, I don't need all of those to do tacos tonight. So there you have it. This is going to be my quick dinner, and with some other chicken chunks that I have, little teeny ones that I'm probably going to make chicken tacos with instead of using my chicken chunks. I like to save those. So there you go. I think the next thing that we're going to do for canning is probably lemon curd, because I have these lemons right here. I have enough, and they're starting to mildew on a little bit on the ends, and I can't have that. The inside is perfectly fine, but I need the rinds on the outside too. So I have to do something with that probably tomorrow. So there you go. Again, this is 2 days worth of canning right here, including the asparagus. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them. If you have any comments, please leave them. Suggestions on what to can. I know one of the things I'm going to be doing is what can't be canned, because there are several things that you just don't want to can them. You can dehydrate a lot of things that you can't can, but there's a lot of things that you can't can. Oh, I do have some beets in there, and I do want to can some potatoes, so we will probably be doing those as well. So lots of canning coming up. I hope you stay tuned and subscribe, and come along with me on this journey. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.